You gotta pin it. Pin it. Pin it. See? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra. You can call your girl T. Here on my channel, you will find hair and makeup tutorials, DIY projects, baby vlogs, and meal prepping ideas. If you like all those things and more, please take the time to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit that bell notification down below so you can get all the notifications anytime I post a new video. As you can tell about this video today, we are doing something different. I'm doing a little hair vlog slash how-to tutorial on these passion twists. I seen my girl Raven Elise do them, and I seen a couple other people do them as well. And I was just like, I'm ready to get a new cute little look. My hair has been blowing me lately. Like, I just do not have the time to do it. I'm not even going front, y'all. This took like 12 hours. Like, I'm not the best parter, so that took like 2 hours, and I was definitely watching TV, but like, I'm gonna try to keep these in for like 3 weeks, you know? I did these little like space buns slash scary spice hair, cause you know, we just trying to be cute all summer. My buns out here looking like little weeble wobbles, but they don't fall down, look. They wobble, they ain't falling down, that's all that matters. We being cute out here, we being secure. Secure the hair, we stand secure hair. The original creator of these passion twists, her name is the Boho Babe, and I definitely had to watch another one of her videos to, you know, just help me out a little bit, get the techniques together. Okay guys, so I'm going to start this hair vlog. I'm going to use a rat tail comb. I'm going to comb out my hair with this because I just took my braids out but did not brush it, whatever. I had to work today, so I literally laid down my edges and that was it. Okay, so there's two different ways that you can do this. I seen the rubber band method, and then I seen people who like parted their hair and then just braided just like the roots, kind of like what I did in Lily's hair vlog video, so I'll post that up there. But I'm gonna go ahead and do it the braiding way, although I did buy rubber bands because, to be honest, my hair has been driving me crazy. I'm tired of doing it, and I know I'm going to keep these in for like at least a month. I do not want rubber bands in my hair for that long, so I'm going to go ahead and just like fast forward through this. I'm trying not to talk as much because my mouth still hurts from getting my wisdom teeth pulled. This is like probably the third video that you've heard this, but I've been recording these all like back to back. So I'm going to get started. You know that I struggle with parting. It doesn't have to be perfect, and I'm also going to kind of try to gauge how many of these I want in my hair. So we're just gonna like kind of trial and error this, but I really feel like this is something so easy to do, and I'm just ready for my hair to be out the way. So I'm gonna get started with this, and don't be talking about my hair looking crazy because I literally took my braids out and threw this on. So I did just wash my hair. The only thing that has like any product on it is literally just my edges here. I did wash it the other day. Okay guys, it is now 12:41 a.m. I started this at like 10:30, and I'm over it. We're over it. I think that I did more than I anticipated, but I only really care about like the top half of my hair looking really, you know, parted. So I'm gonna at least attempt to do some of them to see like if I didn't just waste all of my time and that I actually can do this. And then I'll probably actually do my hair like in the morning. So we'll see how much we get done tonight. Guys, it has been so long. I feel like SpongeBob, like one eternity later. Literally, like I just don't even Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this technique at least once. I pretty much got the hang of it. I will say that like I noticed as I was going that my head was starting to like really hurt. I do not like any type of pain, so like I started to kind of loosen. Like I don't need my braids to be super duper tight on the roots. I'm recovering from heat damage that I self-inflicted. We're not gonna get into that. So I don't want to put any more tension, stress, anything on my hair as I'm trying to recover. It came in 3 sets of 9. So one, I noticed like I'm definitely gonna have to like style this and trim this because it's so much effing hair. It's so much hair. But yeah, what I've been doing is just splitting it. And don't worry about it getting like frizzy because it literally comes back together and you want it to be a little frizzy. Okay, I'm gonna do this like little piece here. Have it in a little X. That's how I do it. Take your crochet needle and you just want to hook it through the hair like this. Put the hair on the hook and just pull it through. And you want to make sure you have your fingers through. I always try to find my real hair first, so I'll pull that through the loop. Boom. And then I pull 2, so like one side of the 4 through. Boom. And then I literally take my real hair, if I can find it, and kind of pull it down a little bit. Then I take that with those 2 and these 2 and just pull it tight. Okay. And that's in. It's not super on my root. I just like do not want it to be too tight. And then from there you literally just twist it down as far as you want it. I ended up getting 20 inch, but like I could have been really fine with like 16. So yeah, that's really it. It's so easy. I'll show you guys one more time. Don't even worry about all of this. Like literally just go all the way down. Now wherever my hair ends, I don't like to put a ton of product. So my hair is ending like right here. So what I'll do is I'll take a little bit of the Gots to Be Glued gel. And I don't like a lot of product in my hair. I get like tons of buildup. I just am literally putting it on the ends, like right where I think my hair is going to end. And then like while I'm twisting it, I kind of like pull that down. And that always just like works for me. And it's been, for the most part, keeping my hair really inside. Like you cannot really see, other than that little bit of frizz. And we're going to use styling mousse at the end, so. And here's that twist. It looks really cute. And we're just going to keep moving forward. So I'm going to do that like one more time for you guys, just so you can see. So same thing, splitting the hair down the middle, crossing it, see that's X. I want to make sure that the sides are uneven. Okay, I just like place this on my lap, crochet needle. You want to go underneath the hair. Okay. Take your hair, fake hair, close the hook, pull it through. See that hook? I always look in the mirror and find my real hair first. Put that through the loop. Take those 2 out of the 4 ends, pull that through the loop. Make sure it's all the way through. And pull it tight. And that bad boy is in. and then just twist it down. Here you go, about this far down. Let it go. Little scissors, and I just like cut up waist. Here's another one. Alright, I'm just going to fast forward this. Once I get to this side, I'll do one more on this side just so you can see it from a different way. Just to give a heads up, I am left-handed. Things might be a little backwards from like the typical user, but yeah, let me go ahead and fast forward this. I think I have like about an hour left and I'm just ready to be done. So, see you soon. I'm actually really feeling this look. Like, I wasn't sure at first, but then I had to cut it. I don't know if you guys can even see. I had to like cut it and style it, made it like layered, added some jewels. You know, I think that once I did all that, laid down my baby hairs, you see them, they poppin'. As I've already stated, I just like love the way this has turned out. This has been, I want to say I'm on day 5 now since I've done this. Am I lying right now? No, I'm not lying. This is day 5. Yeah, I've had these on for like 5 days and I'm just now recording my intro and outro. Once I did all of that, the look really came together for me and I'm just feeling it now, like. But yeah, they've been in for a while now. I always like to wait a couple days to kind of get used to the hair before I give my final review. So yeah, I'm loving it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching me struggle and pull through. You know, it don't matter about the journey. It matters about the end. You know that saying. It's not about how you start, it's how you finish. Okay. Look, wait for it. My book coming out sooner than later. Make sure you go ahead and follow me on all of my socials @SipandTea, and I will see you all in my next video.